What's up my Pongos? Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over the heavy metal starter kit here from the folks at Dollar Shave Club. This is a great way to be able to begin your shaving career, to be able to get a very precision shave as well as high quality materials that'll last a long time. In this kit here, I've got a couple of cartridges as well as the heavy metal grip to be able to last you a long time and give you that super close shave that you need. With that said, down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Not a sponsored video here. I paid this with my own money. Those links do help out the channel. Let's go ahead and demonstrate this, set this up, and start shaving. In the starter kit 1 here, you're going to get a rudimentary amount of items. Make sure that you go ahead and recycle the packaging. I didn't opt into any of their creams or their lotions. I got the heavy metal grip as well as 2 cartridges and then the travel cap. Already, first impressions here, it is nice and hefty. I've reviewed a couple of the other competitors out there and this is the heaviest. It is a full metal grip here with some silicone rubber dots here on the bottom as well as a nice chrome grip here on the top to be able to give you that close shave. I like that. 2 cartridges here for travel, and then once you've got it set up, you've got the little enclosure here that does have some holes in here for aeration, so you can go ahead and leave this out on your sink covered with no problem for mold and bacteria. The cartridges are easy to install. You just go ahead and place it into their proprietary grip and then it pulls out, no problem. Once you're done here, you can go ahead and close it into their travel case and now you're good for a nice, sleek, minimal design. I really like that. Coming up close here, you can see the Dollar Shave Club insignia. It is nice and hefty. It is a 5-blade razor, as you can see there, that's crafted with high quality, and there is even a precision blade there on the top to get the whiskers or to get your chin line. And then it's also got this leading strip here with oil that's going to be able to lubricate the skin as you shave. Coming up close, it looks like this cartridge is a little bit smaller than I'm used to, but you do see all of the different features of the blade. You've got the silicone grip on the bottom for ergonomics. You've got this metal heft here for the heavy metal grip, and it's just really nice to be able to have. It's easy to dispose of the razor as it kind of launches off of it, and it's got a high quality grip here to be able to replace and reuse multiple times. All right, we got the Dollar Shave Club handle here. Excited to be able to use this. We're gonna be using the Dollar Shave Club shave cream here and also the post-shave dew, which I really like. I really like the 5 blades. I really like this ergonomic grip that gives you, a nice handle on the entirety of the process. Shaving here, as you can see, it's really clean. I like how wide this blade is to be able to get you around each curve and contour of your skin and your jaw. As you can see, it can go down the entire face line, I can go across the grain, I can go up and down, and especially around the chin area and around my Adam's apple. That skin is very delicate, and with these 5 blades, it's able to maneuver and cut really closely and finely. I really like the blue leading strip that's gonna be able to guide the whiskers into place while also hydrating the skin, especially if you're going against the grain. My hair's a 1/2 inch long, and it just hogs it off, which is really nice. While still getting a delicate shave here up on the upper lip, and being able to get into the whiskers as well. You can get around exactly where you need it, or if you just wanted to lop it all off, the 5 blades are really capable of doing so. With that said, the heavy metal starter kit is great for a really close shave. I really like the high quality 5 blades and the leading lubricating strip. This is nice and ergonomic and hefty. It's not too heavy though to be able to put in a travel bag, to be able to take with you, or just have it sit there on your vanity. With that said, down below in the links in the description, the product pricing and availability. It does help out the channel as they are affiliate links. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Hit that subscribe button. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.